switch the camera because it's on the left side. It's better on the right
No,
side.
it's already too late, man. I always use the left side.
Trust me, it's better on the right side.
Come on. Just me on the left. Blue Mountains line. T1 due to operational issue. Hey everybody, I'm just gonna do a small trip from Strathfield to Parramatta. Strathfield to Westmead. We're gonna do a full video on the Parramatta Library at Westmead. So enjoy the trip. I can't believe the petrol price is still 282. The only expensive ones Coles Express, 7-Eleven, BP, and United. Oh wait, no. Hey, huh? Yeah.
Next stop, Parramatta.
Wait, pass me your phone, Tricky. Check what's in front of us.
I don't have dollars. Give me a hotspot, then we can check.
I can't.
Not a fake transition.
Yeah, we're actually switching tracks too.
I'm really on
Have you been on T1 before?
I have, but it's very hard. Last time I went to Parramatta, I took a
T2.
no, I took
The Blue
not a
Mountains.
T2, I took a visa.
Which one was that? I series or DJ?
I think it was
DJ, the chopper motor with the Kangara. Well, these tracks was new.
Gotta look so close up when it is in the video.
I'm telling you, I'm doing ultra wide.
Why does Homebush have 7 platforms?
So this is platform 2.
Yeah,
This-
but
this-
for some reason the station has
No, I don't know why. That's platform 1 over there. The one on the other side. This used to be... There used to be 3. This used to be platform 3. Platform 1 used to be on the other side. That's platform 2. And then platform 1 is where that sign is, right there.
Is there a terminal here?
Yeah, on the other side.
Yeah, terminus.
For Homebush service. Track fault.
Is there a platform 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are Homebush?
Yeah.
Still, it has a lot of platforms.
It does.
I'm not sure if that counts as a spot.
Yeah. That was DI. Oh, you want to know something? Did you know back in 1992, there used to be a track switch right here? This track wasn't even here before. That's the old overhead wire.
Is that different? Is that to the
Goods.
maintenance center?
Yeah, but and also the goods line. And there's another Visa coming in too.
Is that an XP2?
No, that's a V.
No, not the one that's about to process.
V2. DIDJ series. And DK series. Which track fault? I can't believe the signal's really old over here. Track fault. Get ready. Okay, looks like they fixed it. 3-car V-set, bruh.
That's weird.
Okay, set. And that's a V40 DK series with a D. Oh, that's a 4-car DK.
Where are the abandoned trains?
Auburn.
there?
No, Auburn. That's a Y set.
Y sets were abandoned, right?
Yeah.
So that's a Y set.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, train test.
You know, you want to know about the C sets? Some C sets are actually stored at Auburn still, and the S sets, yeah, kept as
What at Flemington?
nah, Auburn.
This guy stopped
There's a
at-
caution speed right here. That was like 40 or 30. Yeah, that's 20. Oh, there's so many people coming back from the Easter show. Oh, there's a caution speed up ahead, that's right. A30, B36 on the left side.
Oh my gosh, I didn't actually know that Liverpool used to have an entrance with no gates. And instead just the top.
Oh, police.
I ate here once.
Yeah,
It was
Dulles?
pretty nice.
Yeah,
Dulles.
yeah, I know Dulles.
It was nice. I got a margarita pizza.
Isn't that cheese?
Cheese is margarita.
Yeah.
License were abandoned, right?
Yeah.
So there's some at Flemington, but there's more at
The more C sets and S sets are at Auburn.
Do you think we'll be able to see any?
Nah, it's all the way at the back.
Wait, is it on the left or the right?
Left.
Probably should just switch to the left.
Nah. It's all the way on the left. All the way. You can't see it from here. That's park.
Have you ever went to the PCYC here?
No, but I've been to White Park before for my primary school athletics carnival, just right here.
It looks like a big field.
Oh, you want to know something? Did you know these trains junction here at Auburn didn't even exist back then? Right here.
Oh. So it's new.
Yeah.
Guys, Owen is the Sydney Trains copier. Guys, Owen is the Sydney Train vlogs copier.
Yes, I am. I'll be quiet right now.
It's confirmed.
Oh, did you know this used to be the old overhead wire right here? There used to be old ones. Right here too. And right here, but that's gone. That's the platform I get on board.
Why is this platform out on Wednesday?
They only do that on weekends.
For T1 and T2?
Yeah.
I mean, T1 and then platform for T2.
Yeah. Guess what? That's the maintenance.
It's a level crossing, right? Oh, it's right back when I know my name is set.
Yeah, that's a K set. And look on your right. Look on your right.
Good slide.
No, that's a freight line.
Oh, freight line.
And this is Clyburn Station right here. Oh, the 8606. You know that one with the overhead wire freight train? Yeah, normally it's over there.
Oh, hey, I actually got that train on camera.
Yeah. The 4820. Oh, 8133. I haven't been here for a while now.
So it technically can work, so let's go all the way to Newcastle.
No, yes they can, but there's only during events or testing. And look where we are now. Clyde.
Is that in the case of continuing to go to
That's only happened on Farewells. Oh, we're now on the Carlingford. That's the Carlingford line now. This is the T6 Carlingford line, by that. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at the little, what line's that? Carlingford line. Oh, they removed the pizza over there. And look over there. Track junction right here. That's, oh shit, that's a
Can I
fault.
be honest?
Oh, look at those.
The only reason that probably Clyde was used was probably because of the Carlingford line. But even then, the Carlingford line wasn't used a lot. So now, seriously, he uses Clyde.
This is
There's
only.
only 6 residents in the summer.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not kidding.
Looks like they're getting new overhead wires too. If you're heading back now, are you taking bus? Are you going back by bus?
Probably. Take a bus.
Bus, no park. Holy shoot, look down there.
And then Parramatta Road. You know what's shocking? Parramatta Road doesn't actually go to Parramatta.
It does.
This part is Parramatta.
Yeah. That's the M4 smart motorway on bypass.
It isn't the smart motorway.
On the left side. Oh, 70 kilometer zone.
The
No, bro.
M4 is always 70 kilometers. Am I right about that at least?
You want to know why?
Is it traffic?
Light. Why is there a bank?
Wait, I don't think we're stopping at Harris Park.
Nope. Now we can go. Guards indicator, switch on. This used to be where the landslide was.
But does it feel weird to see T5?
T5 never happens on weekdays.
Yeah, but still, it kind of feels weird to see T5.
Yeah.
And T5 does happen on weekdays.
Yeah. Well, limited. Now this is the place where there's
Peekaboo. Lots of apartments here.
yeah, I know.
This train will stop at Parramatta.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that one. That's the one I saw at Ashfield. A80. And
We are probably going that train instead, to be honest.
why?
It's literally at Parramatta now.
Why would you want to do that? Like, the pass at 350.
No, I said we should have gotten that train to Parramatta.
But you missed it, bro.
True. Well, anybody guys, anyway, that's the end of the Owen's Travel Series video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and die.